you?
Good morning, ma'am.
So today we will learn the structure of a leaf. Before that, we must know that what is a leaf. Can anybody of you tell me what is leaf?
A leaf is a part of plant.
Yes, you can also see it is a part of a
Plant.
And why it has only green color?
Due to the chlorophyll.
Yes, leaves are of green color just because a pigment chlorophyll is present in between the leaves. And what is the function of a leaf?
To make the food for plants.
It is also called the food factory of the plants because it makes food for the photosynthesis. Clear, everybody? So now let's come to the parts of a leaf. Today we will understand the parts of a leaf and what are its functions. So what is the leaf part known as? Yes, this part.
Leaf margin.
This is known as a leaf
Margin.
which support the leaf, and this midrib is known as the midrib. The middle line is known as a
Midrib.
You can also see here this is known as a
Midrib.
And what is this known as? Leaf
Apex.
Leaf apex, so you can also say it as a tip or leaf apex.
Apex.
Now you can see here the vein structure. These lining are known as veins.
Veins.
You can also see here these lining are known as
Veins.
which provide food for the photosynthesis. It provides food, transport the food, water and minerals. Clear, everybody?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
whole part is known as leaf lamina. ठीक है? Which holds the leaf for the food. Which holds the leaf for the food. Here is, you can see that is petiole which provides sunlight to the leaf. So, which provide sunlight to the leaf.
Leaf.
Now, here are two types of veins. You can look here, there are the veins. If veins are of two types, that is reticulate venation and
Parallel venation.
If you see the midrib veins are goes parallel to each other, they are known as parallel venation. And if you can see there is a reticulate venation, there is a network like structure the known as reticulate venation. You can see a network like structure. They are not going parallel to each other, they are known as reticulate venation. And these veins function is to transport water, minerals and food for the photosynthesis. So these all parts are clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So